In addition to selling household vacuums and servicing household vacuums, we also sell and service commercial vacuum cleaners. A lot of people don't know that. We have every price range, every need, all the way down to a basic commercial vacuum cleaner for $169 for literally as much as you would want to spend. Floor scrubbers, shampooers, supplies. We have scrub pads, we have scrub brushes, we have bonnets, we have polishing pads, we have filters, we have accessories. Pretty much anything you would need. We service a lot of school districts, cleaning services, restaurants do businesses with us. So anything that you'd possibly need, from a lightweight vacuum cleaner to a backpack vacuum cleaner. This can literally be worn on your back. You may need to adjust it a little bit here. And if you're doing a large area of flooring, a lot of people find this is the way to go because you're not dragging the vacuum cleaner behind you. It's on your back. It's going to follow you up and down stairs. It's going to come with any type of floor tool you'd need. A carpet tool, bare floor attachments, crevice tool, duster brush, upholstery tool. That all comes with this particular one. So it's not for everybody, but it's a good choice for some. We also have lightweight commercial vacuum cleaners. The CleanMax Nitro is a good choice if you want a lightweight commercial vacuum cleaner, especially if you want one with tools. It's $2.99, which kind of puts you about the midway point in the commercial vacuum cleaner price ranges. Just give you an onboard hose, telescopic wand, 30-foot cord, multiple tools. You'll have your crevice tool. It's good for getting along the edges and crevices naturally. You'll also get a little duster brush, and your duster brush can actually use the crevice tool for an extension. So now your 10-foot ceilings we can easily reach. And it comes with these two attachments, but we have lots more attachments that are available to fit this unit. Okay, on the bottom we have a metal brush roller, replaceable bristles. Metal brush rollers are always preferred, especially in a commercial environment. You do have sealed bearings here, to help keep the debris out of the bearings. The belt can be accessed very simply by removing 5 screws, removing the plate, and there's your belt. And we do sell bags, filters, supplies, virtually anything you would need for this machine. Inside here, this is it's called a Type A bag. This fits a ton of commercial units. This is the standard paper. The HEPA bags are available. In a commercial setting, a lot of times people do not want to use the HEPA bags because they can be up to twice as expensive. And you're throwing them away more often in a commercial setting. So usually the paper bags are the way to go. We do have a HEPA filter down here in the bottom. Which I would probably replace this about every 6 months in a commercial setting. This is going to get the really super fine dust out of the air, which is great for allergy sufferers. Sometimes commercial environments aren't really that concerned with that. People aren't sleeping there in the building. They're going to work in the shop. The point I'm getting is the vacuum will run without this, and it's not going to blow dust everywhere. It's just if you didn't want to go to the expense to having the HEPA filter in there, you wouldn't necessarily have to have it in there. It's not going to hurt the vacuum at all. So. Cover. Place our back cover. And away we go. Now, if you're willing to trade a little bit of weight, go up a few dollars in price, pushing this vacuum cleaner, you're definitely going to feel a difference in the weight, but you're also going to notice as it's more solid. This is a good entry-level commercial vacuum cleaner. If you're going to be beating the heck out of it, throwing it in and out of car trunks, potentially dropping it down the stairs, this would be a better choice. Just the overall quality of the build is much better. We still have a metal brush roller. We've also added a bottom plate. This is a better quality brush roller overall than the Nitro series. It's just the end caps are better. Not that there's huge issues with that, but this is an upgrade. So very solid. The hose, it's going to be a little longer. It's a little beefier. It's going to withstand abuse a little better. Our crevice tool is a little longer than the Nitro series. Our upholstery tool, duster brush, is a little bigger than what we get in the Nitro series. And you can see we got a little better reach than what we had in the Nitro series. So, if I was buying a commercial vacuum cleaner and I wanted onboard tools, this would probably be my choice. Not everyone has the same budget. If that's the case, I would recommend the Nitro. If you do not care about onboard tools, but would like attachments, our middle series, Pro Series, very similar to the high-end Pro Series. There's no attachments on board, okay? We do have a toolkit included. This is not through CleanMax. This is an in-store deal. This is a $60 toolkit that we're including. We have a very long hose. It's over 12 foot long. You plug that into the back. That should get you just about anywhere you want to go. This is going to allow you to do bare floors. The Pro Series uprights, as they are, do not do a great job on the bare floor. There's no apparatus built behind the roller to act as a sweeper. You got some metal parts there, so you may not want that going across the bare floor. If you want an upright, you want to do a bare floor. Speaking of commercial vacuums, I'd recommend having the auxiliary toolkit, which is what you have here. This is an all-natural bristle. It's not going to scratch anything. There's no wheels on it, so it's completely safe. The length of the hose should accommodate you as well, pretty much going up and down any set of stairs. Now, if you want the high-end Pro Series model, you can still purchase this kit. This kit will work on any of the CleanMax uprights. But you can purchase it. Simply going to plug into the back, and when you buy it as a combination, you get the toolkit for $29. So, now, as you've probably noticed, these vacuums have very short cords, about 3 inches long. It seems kind of silly. Okay, what we've done here is, instead of giving you a 60-foot cord, we've given you two 30-foot cords. The reasoning behind that is probably our #1 repair with commercial vacuum cleaners is the customer's run over the cord and damaged it. And so what does that mean? It means you got to buy a $30 cord and you're spend $30 or $40 labor having it installed. If you run over one of these cords, it's just a matter of getting another extension cord and plugging it in. So, plug this in here. The cord's locked into position. And like I say, it comes with 2 cords, and you just link them together. And these little brackets, that just keeps the vacuum cleaner's cord from becoming unplugged as you use it. So you can have a 30-foot cord, you can have a 60-foot cord. You run over your cord, damage it, you're not buying a new cord. You're not paying to install a new cord, you're just paying for a cord. And you can have as much of these laying around as you want. So I think that's a pretty neat innovation that they've come up with. And I'll screw this here. And that, my friends, is the CleanMax commercial upright lineup that we have here at Swanson's. Feel free to stop in and try one out. 7507 North 2nd Street, McChesney Park, Illinois. Or visit us on our website at swansonsvacuum.com. Thank you.